5, but still, it's Macmac Cardona over him. 19 points, 5 assists compared to the 8 points and 8 assists from James Yap. So si Macmac Cardona, mukhang sa ngayon, hindi pa kinakailangan ng kanyang serbisyo. Lamang sila ng 21 after posting the highest lead at 22.
Welcome to the fourth and final quarter. Knockout game between Pure Foods and Talking Tex. Nico Halili kasama si Rado de Malibot. We're also joined by Magu Marjan and Joy Delaray. And Reda Relimi with a basket inside. To start things off in the fourth quarter, may kasama pang foul. Speaking of Magu Marjan, let's get his update. Magu?
Miko, Rado, mula nung quarter break natin si Coach Ryan Gregorio, magagamit daw sila ng man-to-man defense dito sa ating pagsisimula. Pagka naipasa ng first pass, magdo-double team kagad sila. Medyo modest naman yung kanilang target. Kailangan daw nila with 7 or 8 minutes to go, maibaba sa 12 yung lamang ng Talking Tex. Don't give up daw, may laban pa dito.
Well, definitely we've seen the ability of Pure Foods to get back from huge deficits. They certainly have the character and the firepower for it. Question mark lang yung effectivity and efficiency of their import, Reda Relimi, who's nursing an injury in this game.
We've been hailing the game of Macmac Cardona. Don't be misled because the fact is, ang kupunan po ng Talking Tex lumamang ng maigi ng third quarter because of their team play. They issued 9 assists in that quarter compared to only 3 of Pure Foods, who also committed 9 turnovers compared to only 3 of Talking Tex. So it was all Talking Tex, as we were mentioning, in the third canto.
Nice pass coming from Roger Yap para kay Peter June Simon. So Pure Foods trying to make headway here in the early moments of the fourth quarter. Here's Yancy De Ocampo against Relimi. Yancy fires, no goal. And Roger Yap saves the ball. Could be the start of a Pure Foods rally here. Here's James Yap off the glass, and he will take 2.
Kailangan talagang tumayo nitong mga taga Talking Tex, especially their coaching staff. They should not be misled by their once a 22-point lead. Ngayon po ay nakatayo na lamang yan sa 16 puntos. At lahat ng puntos actually in this quarter tallied by Pure Foods, who already has scored 5 points. Maaari pang madagdagan, of course, with James Yap on the free throw line. Making his 9th point of the ball game. So si Coach Chot Reyes not taking any chances. Lalabas kagad doon si Dio Campo at si Jack Sia. Papasok si Jimmy Alapag at saka itong si Alipik.
2 out of 2 para kay James Yap. Malaki-laki pa rin ang kailangan habulin dito ng Pure Foods.
Well, ito yung ating binabanggit. Of those turnovers ng kupunan ng Pure Foods na nag-commit ng 9 turnovers, 12 points ang itinala doon ng phone fouls. Samantalang 2 puntos naman out of the 3 ng Talking Tex.
13 points tonight for Terrence Leather. Dagdagan na naman itong abante ng Talking Tex, 79-63. Here's Relimi against Peak. Relimi fires. And Terrence Leather pushing off Jordan Salvador. And dangerously close to getting a technical foul. Dahil tinignan niya ng masama itong si referee Noel Kilingen.
At anyong babatuhin pa eh. At you're right, he's lucky na hindi siya natawagan. He would push Jordan Salvador. And correctly so, a foul was given him. Pero hindi na nakakuha yung
but that was an offensive foul against Peter June Simon dahil brushed off Jimmy Alapag in that play. Third personal laban kay Simon.
We're talking about Terrence Leather kanina. He now has 13 points, tallying the first 2 points of Talking Tex in the fourth quarter. Pero more importantly, I think, more than his scoring, his rebounding is the one that is helping Talking Tex right now. He has 9 points. At sa pagkawala nga nitong si Reda Relimi sa kanyang tip-top shape, ay ang difference ni Leather sa rebounding ang nagbibigay ng kanilang dominance sa boards.
Alibig, tatawagan ng kanyang pang-apat na personal foul.
Not taking any chances itong si Alipig. As I was telling you earlier, itong si Raider Alimi, hindi naman kailangan masyadong defensive because he's not 100%, but still, Alipig is not taking any chances.
Here's Jordan Salvador. At kanina pa talaga sila nagtutulakan dito ni Terrence Leather. And Terrence Leather threw the ball at Jordan Salvador. And Terrence Leather is going after James Yap. Enrico Villanueva is being restrained by Ali Pig. And the entire Pure Food squad is getting on the case of Terrence Leather. And Ali Pig at nakikipagtulakan. And boy, cooler heads have to prevail here.
That's Alipig and Rob Sands. At
somebody has to pull Terrence Leather aside here. And somebody has to tell the Pure Food squad to also cool it. And now both teams have to be restrained here.
And what action outside of the real action we're seeing here. Luckily, cooler heads like RP team teammates Kirby Raimundo and Renan Ritualo. Teka, ito, kahit maliit-liit ang ating venue, may nagtatapon na po ng...
And nagsimula lahat yan doon sa tulakan ni Jordan Salvador at ni Terrence Leather.
At tama naman, naibigay na yung foul eh.
And then there was a foul. And then all, mayhem broke loose. And all hell broke loose when Terrence Leather threw the basketball at Jordan Salvador.
Threw it back actually because it was actually Jordan Salvador who passed the ball.
Terrence Leather has been ejected from the game.
And that would be the second time he'd be ejected. And I think more fines should be given this guy. Well, eto, reviewin natin yung ating nakikitang action. As usual, nagpo-postean ito si Jordan Salvador and Terrence Leather for the position. Eto dito, naghihiyawan na yung mga tao. No foul was called yet. Pero ito, a series of bumpings. Bang! 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 And finally, the foul was called on Terrence Leather. At dito, nagkagirian na po. Pero hindi pa yan. Ayun, pinato yung bola. So, ito, madami ng si James Yap, makikita natin mula sa likod. May binigay na konti kay Terrence Leather. Hindi rin nagustuhan yan. Ipapasa muna yung bola. Bibigay muna yung bola, pero ibabato ito. Technical foul na kagad, ay binato. So, technical foul na rin. Actually, yun. Sumenyos na si James Yap. Nakakita, hinabol. Hindi hinabot, pinipigilan na siya. Pero si Rico Villanueva, mamaya lulusot na dyan. Ayan, nakakita natin kanina yan. Si Rob Sands, ito. Aba, nandiyan lahat.
Ayun, malino. There was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. At ayan na, dito na nagsuguran sa court yung mga basketball players natin. Yeah, Rob Sands, nakikita niyo, Rob Sands, Noel Kilingen getting in the middle of the action there. And you can see Renan Ritualo trying to pacify everybody here.
Kasi Alipig eh. Natatawa ko kay Alipig eh. It's trying to restrain all the attackers from the Pure Foods.
Kaya naman eh, kaya.
Really a cooler head. Ito si Alipig. Ito, makikita po natin. Same, another angle. Pero dito, ito, tayuan pa rin po dito. Ayun, nagsimula sa batuhan. So, kailangan ating emosyon. And why not, Migo? Ika nga, ang matatalo dito, wala nang bukas.
Oh, that's right. Perfectly understandable. Both teams are really intense. Everything on the line here. Lahat ng pinaghirapan nila para dito sa Fiesta Conference nakataya sa larong ito. Winner goes home. Rather, loser goes home. Winner moves on to a knockout game on Friday dito sa Inares. So, ito, hihintayin natin ang hatol ng Supreme Court. Initially, there was a personal foul against